Hello everyone, this is Ankita welcoming you to Global Online University. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss 50 most important MCQ on teaching aptitude unit for Northeast Set exam. Students, there is very less time remaining for your upcoming exam. So this is the time which you can utilize for the best. So this series will help you to get more marks and clear upcoming exam. So without wasting time, let's start with today's lecture. Global Online University has brought course for paper 1. For that, you can join our WhatsApp group. Now what are the different facility we are providing you? You will be getting full syllabus video lecture with the detailed explanation, 40 plus mock tests with the detailed solution. We will be providing you detailed notes on all the topic and also the practice MCQ, and the fee of course is just rupees 999. We are also having paper 2 notes to crack your exam in first attempt. This is the right time to join our course where you can utilize your time for the best. For more detail, please contact us and do join our course and crack your exam. CHEER stand for, and options are Children Enrichment Education through Radio, Child Health Education Electronic Recording, Children for Engineer and Energy Requirement, and none of the above. The correct answer of this question is option number A, Children Enrichment Education through Radio. CHEER was meant for preschool children of socially deprived classes studying in Anganwadi in the age group of 3 to 6 years. It was carried out in the 4 state-wise Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. सेकेंडरी स्कूल टेलीविजन प्रोजेक्ट इंडिया में कब आया था? एंड ऑप्शंस आर 1961, 1959, 1968 एंड 1962. इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए 1961. Secondary school television project was designed for the secondary school students of Delhi with an aim to improve the standard of teaching in a view of shortage of laboratory space, equipment, and this project started on experimental basis in October 1961 for teaching of physics, chemistry, English and Hindi for the students of class 11th. Classroom teaching की main aim क्या होती है? And options are to give information, to develop inquiry mind, to develop personality of students, to help student pass examination. इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, टू डेवलप इंक्वायरी माइंड. इससे स्टूडेंट की थिंकिंग पावर बढ़ जाती है. नेशनल लिटरेसी मिशन कब एस्टैब्लिश हुआ? एंड ऑप्शंस आर 1996, 1988, 1999 एंड 2000. इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी 1988. नेशनल लिटरेसी मिशन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने सेटअप किया था 5 मई 1988 को with the aim to eradicate illiteracy in the country by imparting functional literacy to non-literates. नेशनल काउंसिल फॉर टीचर एजुकेशन का मेन एम क्या है? एंड ऑप्शंस आर टू ओपन कॉलेजेस ऑफ एजुकेशन, टू प्रमोट रिसर्च इन एजुकेशन, टू मेंटेन स्टैंडर्ड इन कॉलेज इन एजुकेशन, टू प्रोवाइड ग्रांट्स टू कॉलेज. इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, टू मेंटेन स्टैंडर्ड इन कॉलेजेस इन एजुकेशन. नेशनल काउंसिल फॉर टीचर एजुकेशन इज अ स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडी ऑफ इंडियन गवर्नमेंट set up under the National Council for Teacher Education Act 1993. In 1995, it is a formally oversees standard, procedure and process in the Indian education system. Which of the following activity can help the teacher inculcate social and moral value among the students? And options are delivering lecture on values, showing TV programs, involving student activity in co-curriculum activities, observing religious festivals. The correct answer of this question is option number C, involving students actively in co-curriculum activities. Co-curricular activity are those activities which are undertaken along with academic studies. Typically, co-curricular activities are carried out outside the normal classroom, but they supplement academic curricular and help in learning by doing. This activity helps students to develop problem solving, reasoning, critical thinking, creative thinking, communication, and collaborative abilities. A college teacher will really help the student when she and options are dictate the notes in a class, is objective in her evaluation, encourage student to ask questions, cover the syllabus completely in class. The correct answer of this question is option number B, is objective in her evaluation. If the evaluation process is eliminated from the woman's life, then perhaps the aim of her life may be lost. Evaluation helps to build an education program, assess its achievement. It helps teacher and learner to improve teaching and learning. In brief, evaluation is very important requirement for the education system. At authoritarian level, teaching is, and options are teacher center, child center, headmaster center, and experience based. The correct answer of this question is option number A, teacher center. Authoritarian, this is teacher center approach because teacher have a high level of control over the classroom. क्वेश्चनिंग स्किल पढ़ते समय बहुत यूजफुल मानी जाती है टीचिंग में एंड ऑप्शंस आर ensuring student active participation in memorizing the fact of the students, making student discipline, preparing student for examination. इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, ensuring students active participation in. टीचर और लर्नर का इंटरेक्शन एक इम्पोर्टेंट फ्यूचर माना जाता है टीचिंग में. Effective questioning techniques are critical to the learner engagement and are a key can begin to consider what effect it has on the student participation in the class. इसमें से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट गलत है माइक्रो टीचिंग का? एंड ऑप्शंस आर इट इज अ मेथड ऑफ टीचिंग, इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ कोर टीचिंग स्किल, ईच स्किल इज प्रैक्टिस सेपरेटली, क्वेश्चनिंग इज वन कंपोनेंट ऑफ माइक्रो टीचिंग. इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, इट इज अ मेथड ऑफ टीचिंग. Micro teaching is a teacher training and faculty development technique whereby the teacher review a recording of the teaching session in order to get constructive feedback from the peers or the students about what work and what improvement can be made to their teaching technique. Micro teaching was invented in 1963. Armstrong was the main exponent of problem solving method, project method, discussion method, and heuristic method. The correct answer of this question is option number D, heuristic method. The term heuristic referred to Armstrong, who was the exponent of this strategy. Polian and Dunker call it problem solving. It is based on the psychological principle of trial and error theory. Logical and imaginative thinking are prerequisite for his type of teaching strategy. It is an economical and speedy strategy. A heavy emphasis on measurable outcome lead to, and options are rote learning, memorization, both A and B, and none of the above. The correct answer of this question is option number C, both A and B. Rote learning is a memorization technique based on repetition. The idea is that one will be able to quickly recall the meaning of material the more one repeat it. One of the alternatives to rote learning include meaningful learning, associative learning, and active learning. Diversity in student demographic requires common academic standard too, and options are provide a common benchmark for assessment, promote genius learning for high-performing students, ensure that all states have the same requirement as required by the central government, and none of the above. The correct answer of this question is option number A, provide a common benchmark for the assessment. As attention increases to ensure that all the learners reach a common standard, there is also such a factor as a race, class, gender, and language also contribute to, though the everyday activity in diverse school setting. intuitive thinking, and options are is a part of process of discovery, has been encouraged by traditional teaching, is not a cognitive process, and none of the above. The correct answer is a part of process of discovery. Discover more about intuition and science supporting intuitive thinking for better ways out of a block situation by the process that is mostly unconspicuous. Stimulation and self-discovery while using cutting-edge modern technology. अगर किसी स्टूडेंट ने रॉन्ग आंसर दिया तो इसमें से कौन सा एक तरीका बेस्ट है उस पर रिएक्ट होने का. एंड ऑप्शंस आर टू स्कोल्ड हिम फॉर नॉट हैविंग लर्न द लेसन, टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाई द आंसर इज रॉन्ग, टू आस्क अनदर स्टूडेंट टू गिव द करेक्ट आंसर, टू इग्नोर द रॉन्ग आंसर एंड पास ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाई द आंसर इज रॉन्ग. अगर किसी स्टूडेंट का आंसर गलत हुआ तो टीचर को बताना चाहिए कि उसका आंसर क्यों गलत हुआ एंड शुड हेल्प द स्टूडेंट टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. इफ द मेजॉरिटी ऑफ स्टूडेंट इन योर क्लास आर वीक एज अ टीचर यू शुड. ऑप्शंस आर नॉट केयर अबाउट द इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट्स, कीप योर स्पीड ऑफ टीचिंग फास्ट सो दैट स्टूडेंट comprehensive level may increase, keep your teaching slow along with some extra guidance to bright pupils. The correct answer of this question is option number D. Keep your teaching slow along with some extra guidance to the bright pupil, so that with the extra guidance the students can be understand the subject well and it will help them to improve themselves. इसमें से कौन सी टीचर की क्वालिटीज है? एंड ऑप्शंस आर teacher should able to arrange subject matter in a logical way, teacher should inspire his pupils, teacher should have a sweet and polite and clear voice, and all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option number D, all of these. Teacher should able to arrange subject matter in logical way, teacher should inspire his pupils, and teacher should have a sweet, polite and clear voice. अगर कोई स्टूडेंट रेगुलर क्लासेस ज्वाइन नहीं करता तो आप क्या करेंगे? एंड ऑप्शंस आर ब्लेम स्टूडेंट्स फॉर देयर एब्सेंस फॉर द क्लास, ponder over the present attitude of the student in the claim manner, think about using some interesting technique of teaching, try to understand the reason and try to eliminate them. इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी, try to understand the reason and try to eliminate that, so that student can be able to come to the class regularly. में से कौन सी लैंग्वेज प्राइमरी लेवल में इंस्ट्रक्शन का बेस्ट मीडियम है? एंड ऑप्शंस आर नेशनल लैंग्वेज, इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज, रीजनल लैंग्वेज एंड मदर टंग. इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी, मदर टंग. मातृभाषा बेस्ट मीडियम माना जाता है इंस्ट्रक्शन का at primary level, so that student can feel comfortable and familiar towards learning. एक टीचर इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेटर बन जाता है if he use instructional facilities, he helps students get meaning out of what he teach, he asks question in between teaching, he helps students get correct answer to the question on the topic. The correct answer of this question is option number B. He helps students get meaning out of what he teach. Family is the main agency of. Options are informal education, formal education, non-formal education, none of the above. The correct answer of this question is option number A, informal education. The home is primary agency of education. It is an informal but active agency. Family is also an original social institution which gave a birth to another organization. The child is introduced to the culture of the society in the family itself and fulfill his needs physical, emotional, psychological and social. The priority of girls' education should be given because, and options are, the girls are more intelligent in comparison than the boys, the girls are lesser in number than the boys, the girls are badly discriminated in favor of boys in the past, only girls are capable of leading for social change. The correct answer of this question is option number D. The priority to the girls' education should be given because only the girls are capable of leading for the social change. अगर कोई स्टूडेंट क्लास में लेट आता है तो क्या करना चाहिए? एंड ऑप्शंस आर इन्फॉर्म टू पेरेंट्स, पनिश हिम, ट्राई टू नो द रीजन, नॉट पे अटेंशन देयर. इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, ट्राई टू नो द रीजन. द बेस्ट वे टू रिएक्ट इज टू नो द रीजन बिहाइंड व्हाई द स्टूडेंट इज कमिंग लेट टू द क्लास एंड ट्राई टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट. इसमें से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट इंक्लूसिव टीचिंग कंसेप्ट को एक्सप्लेन करता है? एंड ऑप्शंस आर टीचर फैसिलिटेट द लर्निंग ऑफ द गिफ्टेड स्टूडेंट, टीचर फैसिलिटेट द लर्निंग ऑफ द वीक स्टूडेंट, टीचर टेक सपोर्ट ऑफ द पेरेंट्स ऑफ द स्टूडेंट टू मेक देम लर्न, टीचर मेक द स्टूडेंट ऑफ डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड टू लर्न टुगेदर इन द सेम क्लास. टीचर मेक द स्टूडेंट ऑफ डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड टू लर्न टुगेदर इन द सेम क्लास. ये स्टेटमेंट इंक्लूसिव टीचिंग कंसेप्ट को एक्सप्लेन करता है. इसमें से कौन से स्वयं के फीचर्स है? एंड ऑप्शंस आर स्वयं स्टैंड फॉर स्टडी वेब एक्टिव लर्निंग ऑफ यंग माइंड, मॉक इज अ पार्ट ऑफ स्वयं, द प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफर फ्री एक्सेस टू एवरीवन एंड होस्ट कोर्सेज फ्रॉम क्लास 9 till the post graduation, learning in Swayam as 3 parts. The correct answer of this question is option number B. Swayam has been developed cooperatively by MHRD, Ministry of Women Resource Development and All India Council for Technical Education with the help of Microsoft and equipped for facilitating 2000 courses, learning in Swayam as 4 parts: e-tortoise, e-content, discussion forum and assessment. इसमें से कौन से ऑप्शन फैक्टर अफेक्टिंग टीचिंग को रिलेटेड करते हैं लर्नर के? एज एंड मैच्योरिटी ऑफ द लर्नर, अटेंशन एंड इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द लर्नर, नॉलेज अबाउट टीचिंग मेथड ऑफ द लर्नर, प्रीवियस लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ द लर्नर, एक्सट्रोवर्ट नेचर ऑफ द लर्नर. द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, 1, 2 and 4. Knowledge about teaching method is an area of knowledge of the teacher. So learner may or may not have knowledge of the same. Nature of the learning being only extrovert has nothing much to do so as to affect teaching. He can be introvert, rest of the factor affecting teaching. The teacher in the class want to choose such a style of teaching which result in the learner optimal participation and the teacher also not losing the control over his or her class. Which among the following will be the most suitable? And options are learner center, student center, blended style and none of the above. The correct answer of this question is option number C, blended style. Teacher center will ensure control of the teacher over the class. Learner center will ensure that the options of the students are taken care of and are the require autonomy, and a balance between both will lead to using the blended style for the given circumstances. The basic requirement of the teaching efficiency is mastery on teaching skills, mastery over use of different technique of teaching, mastery over appropriate use of media and technology in teaching, and all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option number D, all of the above. जब भी कोई स्टूडेंट क्वेश्चन पूछता है और टीचर के पास उसका डायरेक्ट करेक्ट आंसर नहीं होता तो उसे क्या करना चाहिए? एंड ऑप्शंस आर गिव सम वैग्यू आंसर एंड सेटिस्फाई द स्टूडेंट, टेल द स्टूडेंट नॉट टू आस्क मच irrelevant questions, tell the student that he will give the correct answer later, ask the student to find out the answer himself from the book in the library, tell the student that he will give the correct answer later. From the following statement below, choose the correct quote. Statement 1. Online method of learning has more flexible than offline method. Statement 2. It is better to use online method only, especially in the current digital environment. Statement 3. Online method of learning as an advantage of real time. And options are all the statements are correct. Statement 1 and 3 are correct only. Statement 2 is correct only and none of the above is correct. The correct answer of this question is option number B. Statement 1 and 3 are correct only. Real-time learning is knowledge acquisition based on immediate need. So online learning fulfills that need. The main difference between online and offline learning is location. With offline learning, participants are required to travel to the training location, typically the lecture hall, college or a classroom. With online learning, on the other hand, the training can be conducted from particularly anywhere in the world. What are the components of TIRES model in curriculum? And options are aim, subject content, teaching, evaluation. Second option is purpose, education, experience, effective organization of experience, organization of goal. Option C, aim of education, organization of content, testing and feedback. Option D, subject content, teaching, learning and testing. इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, पर्पस, एजुकेशन, एक्सपीरियंस, इफेक्टिव ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ गोल. From the assertion and reason, choose the correct option from the below. Assertion, teaching is bipolar process. Reason, being bipolar means having two variables, teacher and a student in teaching learning process. And options are both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. A is correct while R is incorrect. A is incorrect while R is correct. Both A and R are incorrect. The correct answer of this question is option number D. Both A and R are incorrect. Teaching is tripolar process having three variables linked to each other. Assertion, reflective level of teaching is the highest order level. Reason, understanding level involves relationship between fact and principle and reflective level goes a step further to deal with real life problem. And options are both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are correct but the R is not the correct explanation of A. A is correct while R is incorrect. A is incorrect while R is correct. The correct answer of this question is option number A. Both the A and R are correct and the R is the correct explanation of A. At the understanding level, the learner and required to comprehend the factual information to know the meaning of different concepts and their relationship and to apply fact, concept and principles. At reflective level, the student is made to face real problematic situation. The role of student is quite active. Reflective level of teaching is that which is a problem center and student is busy in original imagination. Which of the following is not personal basis model of teaching? And options are self-awareness, creative, non-directive and group investigation. The correct answer of this question is option number D, group investigation. The personal model begins from the perspective of the selfhood of the individual. Non-directive model believe in the concept of human relation and thus suggested instruction to be based on this model. Self-awareness, the development of the self is emphasis where the intent, strength and creativity of the learner is given freedom to grow. Creative model, teacher is just supervisor and the learner either go in for field work or prepare the project on any activity. प्राइमरी लेवल में वुमन टीचर बेटर मानी जाती है एंड ऑप्शंस आर दे बिहेव मोर पेशेंटली विथ चिल्ड्रन, दे आर रेडी टू वर्क विथ लो सैलरी, higher qualification is not needed in this profession, they have a less chances in other profession. The correct answer of this question is option number A. The ability to understand students' mental and emotional need make the woman better choice for teacher in primary school. They have a better understanding of child psychology. What is the most important while writing on blackboard? And options are good writing, clarity in writing, writing in big letters, writing in small letters. The correct answer of this question is option number A, good writing. Clean blackboard and a good handwriting are most important point to remember while using the blackboard in classroom. Content should be visible and to distant corner of the class. The primary task of teacher is, and options are, to teach the prescribed curriculum, to stimulate and guide students' learning, to provide diagnostic and remedial instructional facility wherever desired, to promote habit of conformity to adult demand and expectations. To stimulate and guide students' learning is a primary task of teacher. It is advantage of giving homework that student options are remain busy at home, study at home, may be checked for their progress, may develop habit of self-study. The correct answer of this question is option number D, may develop habit of self-study. Homework help teacher determine how well the lessons are being understood by their students. Homework teach students how to solve the problems. Homework give a student another opportunity to review class material. नेशनल काउंसिल ऑफ एजुकेशन रिसर्च एंड ट्रेनिंग कब एस्टैब्लिश हुआ था? एंड ऑप्शंस आर 1961, 1962, 1963 एंड 1964. इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए 1961. The National Council of Education Research and Training is an autonomous organization of the Government of India which was established in 1961 as a literally scientific and charitable society under the Society Registration Act. The best way by the teacher to introduce a new subject by giving the board outline of the subject, relating it is a daily life situation, relating it to the previous study subject or course material, any of these. The correct answer of this question is option number D, any of these. The best way by the teacher to introduce new subject by giving a board outline of the subject, relating it to the daily life situation and relating it to the previous studied subject or a course material. UGC कब establish हुआ था? 1966, 1953, 1946, 1986. इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी 1953. On 28 December 1953, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, former Prime Minister of Education, inaugurated University Grant Commission, and in November 1956, UGC was formally established as the statutory body of the Government of India by University Grant Commission Act 1956 of the Parliament. Books can be powerful source of communication provided, and options are the content is abstract, the content is illustrative, the medium is Hindi, the content is presented through good print. इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, द कंटेंट इज इलास्ट्रेटिव. अगर कोई बुक इलास्ट्रेटिव है तो स्टूडेंट इजीली अंडरस्टैंड हो सकते हैं उस कंसेप्ट को. A teacher wants to test the level of satisfaction of the student after using two different teaching techniques on them at the end of the semester, which is the dependent variable in the study. And options are the teacher, the student, level of satisfaction of the student, and teaching techniques. The correct answer of this question is option number C, level of satisfaction of the students. The independent variable is the variable the experimental changes or a control and is assumed to have a direct effect on the dependent variable. The dependent variable is the variable being tested and measured is an experiment and is dependent on the independent variable. The most important indicator of quality of education in an education institute is options are infrastructure facility of a school, classroom system, textbook and teaching learning material, student achievement level. The correct answer of this question is option number D, students achievement level, because it shows the how effective teaching of the institution is. How the students in the class can be made attentive, and options are by speaking loudly in the class, by preparing your lecture properly, by creating curiosity in the students, by wearing special type of clothes. The correct answer of this question is option number C, by creating curiosity in students. Arranging a question answer session after each class will make the students listen the whole time. Arrange a different group activity and let an emphasis on what you think was the best in each cluster, and also create curiosity among students. The aim of education should be to develop vocational skill in the students, to develop social awareness among the students, to prepare the students for the examination, to prepare the students for practical life. The correct answer of this question is option number D, to prepare the students for the practical life, so that after their education they can get a good job and they can make a better future. इसमें से कौन सी मेथड से थ्रू इवेल्युएशन ऑफ स्टूडेंट का पॉसिबल है? एंड ऑप्शंस आर इवेल्युएशन एट द एंड ऑफ द कोर्स, इवेल्युएशन ट्वाइस इन अ ईयर, कंटिन्यूअस इवेल्युएशन एंड फॉर्मेटिव इवेल्युएशन. इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, continuous evaluation. Continuous assessment or evaluation is a form of educational examination that evaluates the student progress throughout the prescribed course. It is often used as alternative to the final examination system. Teaching will be effective if teacher is the master of the subject, has much experience in teaching the subject, start from what students know already, uses many instructional facilities. The correct answer of this question is option number C. Teaching will be effective if teacher starts from what students know already. इसमें से कौन से मॉक के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है? एंड ऑप्शंस आर मॉक अलाउ collaborative tool and community. Mock does not really rely on different web format. Mock is massive online open course. Two types of mock are CMOOC and XMOOC in particular. The scale of mock is much higher with large engagement. The correct answer of this question is option number B, 1, 4 and 5. Massive open online course or a MOOCs are an online course that allow participants free access and unrestricted participation to any course of their choice. CMOOCs are MOOCs that allow for dynamic development of study material. That is, instead of having pre-planned set of reading material and courseware, the material will be developed through online discussion and collaboration among learners taking the course across the globe. XMOOCs, on the other hand, believe in conventional approach where the courses are well structured and pre-selected reading and references materials. SITE stand for SITE. Options are System for International Technology and Engineering, Satellite Instruction Television Experiment, South India Trade Estate, and none of the above. The correct answer of this question is option number B, Satellite Instruction Television Experiment. Satellite Instructional Television Experiment or SITE was an experimental satellite communication project launched in India in 1975, designed jointly by NASA and the Indian Space Research Organization.